Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Leann, and for those of you who aren't new, welcome back. So today guys, it's gonna be another pixie cut hair tutorial. So I just recently got a new cut about 2 weeks ago, and so I'm gonna be, well, I already washed my hair, so I already washed it out, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my cut this time. I got more of a textured cut this time. I still have bangs, but they're not as long, but I kind of have the, you know, old 90s Tony Braxton hairstyle going on. So I'm going to show you guys how I mold it, how I'm going to be molding it, and then styling it. So if you want to see how I get this done, please continue to watch. Okay, so to mold my hair, I have some Nairobi hair, but it's almost finished. So I think I will save this for when my hair starts to grow. And I'm going to be using my Cream of Nature with argan oil to do my mold this time, because my hair is freshly relaxed. It's only been 2 weeks, and this works pretty well like when my hair just do. So I'm gonna be using this, and then I'm gonna save the Nairobi for like when I hit that 6 weeks, 7 week, getting close to doing another relaxer in my hair. They say it's gonna work, because I have tried this around that time, and no, it doesn't. It probably lasts for a day. No, it doesn't work out. So that's why I'm holding on to this little bit of Nairobi I have for when that time comes, because that works for sure. So enough of me talking. Let me start to, you know, comb my hair the way I want my mold to go. And I'm gonna do everything forward, since my hair is cut in that type of style. And some of you might have seen already how it is, because I do have I think I posted in my story, but if you follow me on Instagram and stuff, you already see how my cut look from the first time I did it. And I did post a video in my story here on YouTube as well, but by now it disappeared because that was 2 weeks ago. Okay, so I'm gonna just do everything forward like this. I'll probably do right here, going this way. Okay, so that's how we're gonna mold this bad boy down. And I'm so in love with this cut. Oops, Lord, I'm dripping on foam all over the place. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm so in love with this cut. It's low maintenance, and sometimes when I'm ready, I could fluff it up with the hot curl, but I try not to put too much hot curl in my hair, because that'll just break off your hair the real way. So I'll just leave it a little flat, but if I want to fluff it up, I will put some little bumps in it, or pin curl it at night. That gonna keep the bumps, but I've been lazy and been wearing it flat for this past week. But when I was on vacation, I pin curled it probably every night, just to keep it fluffed up. And just comb this piece this way, because when I'm ready, I could put it off my face and just leave it sit this way. But I've been wearing it a bang in front, and I've been loving it that way. It's been so cute. Got a lot of compliments on it. It's a really cute style. Easy mold, easy style, low maintenance. So I'm going to show you. This is the one side, this is the other side, and I'm going to show you guys the back. So I can just go on and dry for 45 minutes, because my hair really short, so it shouldn't even take that long to dry, because I'm barely getting hair on my head right now, Jack. So yeah, so I'm gonna go on my hooded dryer for 45 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and just style this simple pixie style. So un momento, guys. So I'm back from under the dryer. Took about 40 minutes. I think I came out 5 minutes before. What I'm gonna do now is just add some of my coconut oil because I love this stuff. It keeps my hair frizz-free and nice and silky throughout the entire week that I have it until the next time I go wash it. So it's about use that much. Hope you can see. Ain't really that much, but just like a nice little dollop. And my hair already shiny. I think the foaming lotion really nice with the shine and everything. So I'll just rub it in, and then I'm gonna just break up my mold and start bumping my hair. So one thing I could say is that I wish I had like a the little small flat iron to do the back of my hair, because this style is like a texture style, so it's layered like all over, and some of the hair is really short in the back, and I wish I had like a smaller flat iron. And I say I'm gonna buy another small little flat iron. So long now, I mean do it yet, but soon I gonna buy one. So I still using my 1-inch titanium pro by Conair, Old Faithful, and yeah, I want to get a smaller one because look like I'm going shorter and shorter. So I'm gonna be able to accommodate these hairstyles that I'm trying out and rocking. So I have my 2 little clips here to section off my hair. I'm gonna just lift up this piece back here and just put it in a little holder. Just lift up that piece so I could get underneath there first. Yeah, so back here is where the little flat iron will come in real handy, because this how short the hair. Well, it's kind of long for the 1-inch, but like down here, but it's still kind of long for real, you know. But I think, see, that's how long it is. Well, you can't see. Oh, let me lift up this way. See how long it is? Like all back here. Back here kind of, from here down kind of tapered, but like from right here would have been good with a little smaller flat iron, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna just be using my fingers to pick up the hair and then just see as much as I could place inside the flat iron to get bumped. Okay, since I have everything bumped now, yeah, get everything, I'm gonna go put my makeup and then fluff it out so you guys can see like the finished look. And yeah, so give me 1 sec, let me go put on my little face so I can look cute, and then we're gonna come back and fluff it out. Okay, so now I'm back and I'm just gonna take out these pins. Out my hair. And I'm just gonna take my rat tail comb, not rat tail comb, the big teeth comb, or you could get like a feathering comb. I don't have one right now, but it has like two skinny points like this at the end, and you could take that and feather your hair. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I'm just gonna comb everything out. So my haircut like this, I've been getting a lot of questions like, is that a wig? Like, people want to see it, they be like, they want to know like if it's a wig. But it's not a wig, it's my hair. It's just the way that it's cut, in the style that it's cut, that make it look like it's a wig. So I can try and see if I could get it flat. Like, you know, my hair grow fast, so it don't really like grow out, because I think it was shorter than this. It was a little bit shorter than when I have to cut it. But I love this style. Like, I just love this cut. So I'm gonna just take my wrap cap and wrap like the sides for a little bit so they could lay down, because I like my sides like laying down. So I'm gonna do something like this. Like this. So I'm gonna lay this on for like a minute or two so it could like flat down. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys like how it's gonna be nice and flat. Okay, so it's been like about 10 minutes. So it lay down a little bit just so you guys can get an idea like how I like to rock it. So it's down a little bit. I mean, when I sleep on it, it's gonna go down a little more, but this is how I like to rock it, like flat. And then have a pair with a little, you know, thing going on, a little height. Yeah, you could even put like a part, a space, like. Baila, baila, baila. So I run out of some natural light in front, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a really easy, low maintenance style, and I love this cut. Like, let me tell you, this is low maintenance. I love this cut. But my hair don't grow so fast. Like, it was way shorter than this. Like, and it only been like 2 weeks, and it done already like passing my brows. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any awesome videos like this, guys, and join the fam. Go ahead and click the subscribe button right now, and if you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna put my Instagram handle in here. So I hope you guys stay blessed, be safe, and I'm gonna see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.